Hey, this is Joe, not Jim. We're out here at Stevens Supply where we just completed another amazing Mastering measureQuick training. We focus on a variety of stuff between the different types of refrigerant that are already built into measureQuick. We always recommend using NCI additional training, and we focus on actually incorporating the NCI quick test that measureQuick has inside of it. The fundamentals are always mentioned and built into what measureQuick is based upon. You can't tell if your system's working correctly if it wasn't designed and commissioned correctly. So the ACCA QI5 is something that's built into measureQuick. We actually have a VSP, Verified System Performance, and VEO, Verified Equipment Operation, that are all part of the workflows built into measureQuick. Looking for more? We've got it. We actually have a flow hood that does direct capture measurements that go up to 800 CFM with the new CPS hood. It actually is the same hood, it just now works with measureQuick. Struggling with the cold weather and how to get your installs or service done, you can now use the new AccuTools low temperature charging solution. It works with TXV and fixed orifices, something that no other blanket really does. It's an actual addition that you actually add as a tool into measureQuick as part of your toolbox. We, of course, cover electrical measurements and capturing those with a variety of different probes and tools that are there, whether or not it's a plug-in or you're trying to clip on indoor or outdoor, and the two different meters that work directly with measureQuick and how to get those. Our focus is how can you do this hands-free and actually touch your phone or tablet at the same time. There is a wealth of different types of families and tools that you actually can use with measureQuick. All of these are direct capture, and you can mix or match any of these into measureQuick. You may have some Field Piece, some Testo, Yellow Jacket, or the new JB that have their actually own display on them. Any of these all work with measureQuick. We do spend a good amount of time on static pressures and why that's crucial between the different types of static pressure profiling we have and how to put test ports in. A variety of different tools to do that. Some are now tiny and normal, whatever they are, and making sure you're capping that at the end. A whole bunch of different probes are now on the market about how to get those pressures and measure them, including how to use a high-level manometers that are out there. And we do actually mention some other methods about how to do smoke and generate that and check out all of your domestic water tanks and from backdrafting and some safety precautions that you should be doing all the time. And of course, no measureQuick class would be complete without actually covering the TrueFlow grid from TEC. This is something everybody has a chance to go through and use in our class. So if you're looking for how to learn how to incorporate this and any of these other tools and devices and doing static pressure profiling in a matter of minutes, mix and match tools, cold temperature blanket, doing flow measurements, all of that is all built in to measureQuick.